Hi everyone. Let's have a look how to draw the two-point perspective for this variant. As you can see here, the picture plane is above the plan. It's not touching, it's not crossing the plan. So the horizon line or the eye level is here, 3 meters above the ground line. You can see here the ground line, and I have drawn the elevation. Alright, let's start. As you know, what is the first step? Finding left vanishing point and the right vanishing point. How to find it? So you already know we have to draw parallel to this line from the station point a line up to the picture plane. Then bring it straight down. So on my horizon line you will find right vanishing point. Next we have to find the left vanishing point. Same thing for the left side as well. So I draw the line up to the picture plane. When it intersects with the picture plane, so I'll bring it down. So this is my left vanishing point. So I have already found my left vanishing point and right vanishing point. So the second step, we have to find a relationship or any connection in between the plan and the picture plane, because the plan is not touching with the picture plane at all. How we can do that? So in this variant we have to either extend this line up to the picture plane, or you can extend this line up to the picture plane, or even you can extend this line up to the picture plane, or you can extend this line up to the picture plane. Okay, let me try this side. So when it intersects with the picture plane, I'll bring it down. I'll bring it up to the ground line. Well, as the third step, let's find the true height or the actual height. How can we find it? Now we already have this location. So I'll bring from the elevation the true height. So this will be my true height. I'll highlight the true height like this. Okay, so as you can see, this direction, it's with this direction. So if you remember, so if we have with this direction, we have to connect with left vanishing point. If you have any line with this direction, I have to connect with right vanishing point. Okay, so it's here. So I'll connect this one with left vanishing point. Here we go. Okay, so you can see that I have found this side. So now I have to find this point or this point. So what I will do, I'll draw a line through that corner up to the picture plane, and I'll bring straight down. This will be this edge, as you can see. Now we know this edge also along with this side. So since it's along with this side, what we can do, we will draw a line up to the picture plane, and then we will bring it straight down. So this is this edge. Alright, so we found now left side we found. Since we already know this edge which is over here, now we have to find this side. How to find this side? As you can see, this direction is with this direction. So it means I have to connect with my right vanishing point. So I'll connect the bottom point and top point. Well, now we can find this edge by connecting a line through the point up to the picture plane. When it intersects with the picture plane, we will bring it straight down. So it will be here. Basically, as you can see, now we are done with the 2-point perspective view for this variant. If I want to find the bottom surface and the top surface, what I have to do? It means I have to find this side and this side. So this direction, it's with my right vanishing point, so that I can connect this point with my right vanishing point, and this point, it's with my left vanishing point. Now I'll highlight so that you can see it clearly. Same exercise we can do for the bottom surface. So with this direction, it's with right vanishing point. With this direction, it's with left vanishing point. We are done. And I'll connect these two surfaces. Okay, I use hidden line so that you can clearly see the hidden surfaces. Alright, I hope it's clear for you how we have done the 2-point perspective. Alright then, catch you up later with another variant. Thank you.